Hi, my name is Damon Rose, and I'll be speaking to you today about chiropractic medicine. Chiropractic treatments are a great alternative form of medicine for a lot of physical injuries one may suffer. Most people assume that chiropractic treatment is only for your back and neck, but that is not true. Chiropractic medicine also helps cure migraines and other serious headaches one may have. It can aid with ligament and joint damage. It can correct movement issues that one may be having by walking and running improperly. It also helps improve your flexibility and your range of motion. The history of chiropractic, I'll give you a little bit of it. It started in the late 19th century by Daniel David Palmer around 1895. He initially created it as a way to improve people with bad posture and back problems, but some chiropractors eventually began to branch off into their own way of thinking and label it as a cure-all. As far as like you go to chiropractic, you won't need to go see the doctor and get vaccinations, which is just totally bogus. Everyone in the chiropractic field definitely doesn't believe in that principle. And that way of principle caused the American Medical Association to dismiss the chiropractic as just a cult and not take them seriously until an antitrust suit that was filed in the 80s. But over time, more and more chiropractors began to distance themselves from that cure-all talk and focus on how chiropractic medicine can improve injuries and issues one may have scientifically. Craig Nelson wrote in his essay about being more professional as chiropractors that chiropractors use more of a scientific approach as far as their practice and as far as educating their patients instead of just telling them certain things. You feel like by educating them scientifically and showing them how and why they're having the problems and how he could fix it, that chiropractors will be able to take it more seriously as a profession in the medical field. At Hillehands Chiropractic in Greensboro, the staff there views chiropractic treatments mixed with exercise and stretching as a great form of rehab and injury prevention. With such treatments as electrical stimulation, heat therapy, traction, and exercises and stretches with foam rollers, resistance bands, and exercise straps, they believe that a person can really improve their physical active life. A new up-and-coming treatment that is used there also is called active release technique, which involves hitting the trigger points that a person may have in their tight, damaged muscles to release old blood and allow new oxygenated blood to come in and repair muscles and joints. Most of the issues that people have with their muscles and joints is the fact that they have a lot of scar tissue built up around them, and it causes a lot of old blood to pool around. It causes muscles to be inflamed and feel like real sore and weak. And so by applying these principles, you allow new blood which carry oxygen to the affected areas, because oxygen is what muscles and joints need to repair themselves. And by doing active release technique, you're allowing the blood to flow in and cure the area. Now chiropractic treatment and active release technique doesn't necessarily work in all cases, because some places are like some issues are chronically damaged, and those are the ones where you have to resort to surgery. But surgery is always a very last option when it comes down to injuries, especially in the chiropractic field. But since I've been at Hillehands as an intern, I've met many patients who have suffered from very serious issues, and over time, with chiropractic treatments mixed with doing exercises and stretches, they have seen great improvements. I've seen some come in who could barely walk or barely can lift their arms up above their shoulders, who now have full range of motion and able to live their life normally and be more physically active than they was before coming and getting treated. So I've seen for a fact that chiropractic medicine really does work and is really effective. Anybody who has issues or just want to prevent issues from happening, you should really look at chiropractic medicine as a great treatment. Thank you. Have a good day.